Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be filming a little journal vlog, but I wanted to start off with a very special and exciting haul. The company EB reached out to me and asked if they could send me some washi tape to try out and test with you guys. And of course I said yes because you guys know I love washi tape. I think it is one of the best, quickest, and prettiest ways to decorate your journals when you're kind of in a time crunch or you don't have time to do very elaborate decoration. And I've been thinking that my washi collection has been running a little low and I'm kind of bored of the designs that I have. So I'm so freaking excited to share with you guys these washi tapes today. I will leave the link to Rosie's shop down below along with my 20% off referral link if you're interested. You can also use the code Valerie20 to save if you don't want to use the link. But yeah, so excited about these washi tapes. Let's get right into them. The package did come with this little booklet here that's a washi tape inspiration book, and it comes with 100+ ways to use washi tape, which is very cool. I did take a quick flip through to see. Super cute. Lots of ideas here if you are like curious on how you can use all these washis. So they did send me 2 boxes, which is just so amazing and so generous, and I'm so excited. So the first box we have here is this cute little bear design. Honestly, the box is pretty solid, and I would definitely use this to like store stationery after I've used up all the washi tape. But this is the first box here. There's even a little note on the box. It says, "Hello, I'm Bear Kimi. Thank you for choosing me. Blah, blah. Hope you like. Have a good day." Super cute little drawings around. I will put the names of the 2 specific sets that I chose in the description as well, so you can purchase them if you're interested. But this set, I'm absolutely obsessed with. It has the cutest designs, and they are so colorful. I actually did swatch them all out for you guys because I thought that would be a easier way for you guys to see what all the washi tapes look like. And is this not the cutest set ever? This was the first one I swatched, and I was like, that is so perfect for summer, which is obviously the upcoming months. It has like this cute little bear in a swimsuit by the beach with some like watermelon, and I just think it is so freaking adorable. This one is like a little school related one because there's some like pencils and some bears doing some homework. So cute. I love the little buns here. We have the sea themed one, a little dessert themed one. These burgers and pizzas are so cute. Of course, I love anything with strawberries. This one is adorable. It's just a little bunny in a garden. This one is super cute. The bear has a flower crown. And here, I think this might be one of my favorites. It's like a little under the sea theme. And we have a little bear wearing a hula skirt and some like coral next to it. This little birthday party one, bunnies, super cute, more of them. I love this one where the bear is wearing like fruit heads. There's an avocado and a grape, I think, head. These cherries are super cute. I love this one with the desserts, and this one with the little party hats and the little cherries, of course. Seriously, every single design in the set is so freaking cute, and it's so colorful, and I'm just obsessed. Like, I am so obsessed. Okay, so that is the first set that I got. Super pretty. The next set that I got is this little celestial one. There's this little quote on the side that says, "Hope you're happy every day." And I just really love this packaging. I love that it comes in a box that I can easily close up and reuse. Like, I just love it. Okay, this set is absolutely stunning. It's like a celestial set, and all of them have a little bit of foil, whether it's like gold, or I think some of them have silver, and some of them have hollow foil. And is this not so beautiful? Like, that is absolutely gorgeous. And I also swatched these ones as well, so you guys can see all of the pretty designs. Like, tell me that is not the most beautiful thing you have ever seen. All of these washis lined up side by side, like, they are just stunning. The gold foil is freaking beautiful, and I love that there's just like a bunch of different colors. I feel like normally when you think of like Galaxy, you'd see a lot of these colors here that are more like purple and blue, but they also have some like green and orange ones, which I just think are super fun. And they all come in like a variety of sizes. So we have like a 10 milliliter, a 15 milliliter, a 5 milliliter, and then I don't know how many. Did I say milliliter? I meant millimeter. And then we have this thick one here, which I just think like these are just so absolutely gorgeous, and I cannot wait to use them in my journal. So again, thank you so much to Evie for sending me these washi tapes. They are so freaking gorgeous, and I cannot wait to use more of them in my journal. You guys will see a few ways in today's vlog when we head over to the voiceover portion to see how I use these washi tapes. So let's get right into that. Okay, so we are starting off with a spread that I am making to celebrate hitting 2,100 subscribers, which is very exciting. The first thing you're watching me do here, though, is gluing together 2 pages because I had also just finished reading The Dixon Rule by Elle Kennedy, and so I always like to do a spread for the new books I read during the year. And since I needed a page for that had to be like 2 pages glued together because I'm going to write a quote with marker. I had to glue 2 pages together. And that also worked out because I also used some marker on my subscriber celebration page. So if you didn't know, ever since I hit, I think 100 subscribers, I've been doing these little spreads where I make little numbers either this way that I'm showing you right now, or I just cut them out of decorative paper when I'm feeling lazy, to like write out the number of subscribers that I hit, and I do it for every 50 subscriber milestone. So recently I just hit 2,100 subscribers, which is very, very exciting, and I'm so grateful for all of you watching. And so for that reason, I'm making a little spread to celebrate. And I love doing it this way where I make little numbers out of cardstock and then cover them in washi tape, but this is very time consuming, so I don't do it very often. But because I had just gotten all these new washi tapes from EB, I really wanted to use some of the thinner ones to make a little like set of numbers. So it's super, super cute. Again, it does take a bit of time, but it's very fun and it can be very relaxing. So I just wanted to show you guys how I did it for the number 1. I had done 2 and the 2 zeros off camera. But yeah, I basically just lay the washi across in a diagonal pattern and cut off the ends or just fold them in, and then I glue that onto the page. And I just think these little thin washis are great for something like this because you can see a bunch of the design, and they're like super thin stripes, which you don't get with the thicker washis, obviously. And I also use these thinner washis less often in my journal for like regular spreads, and so I thought it would be perfect to use some of them up here. And I did use 2 different designs for the 2 and the first 0, and then the 1 and the second 0. But yeah, super, super cute, and I thought what a fun way to use these new washis that I had just gotten. Again, the link for EB Shop will be down below, and I would definitely recommend checking it out. Like seriously, there are so many wonderful designs in these like big, wonderful packs with so many tapes in each box. So again, would definitely recommend. And then what you'll see me doing next is just taking some Crayola Super Tips and writing out subscribers underneath just to kind of like finish up the spread. I used a teal, a purple, a blue, and then another kind of purple. And then I did a little drop shadow with the black just to pull in the black from the washi tape as well. You can kind of see that the numbers are peeling off the page, and that's because my journal is like getting really, really chunky. So it's hard to get the paper to like stick to the cardstock because it's kind of like bending. So usually after I close the journal and kind of let it sit for a while, it will stick. But if you're wondering why it's like lifting off the page and I have to glue it down 100 times, that's probably why. Anyway, super cute spread. The journal that I'm currently using is a journal from Dollarama. It was $4, and I don't know, did I show you guys the cover of the journal? I don't remember, but it's super cute. It comes from this like Monet set that they have. They have 4 designs in the collection, and it's super, super cute. But my one caveat, did I use that word correctly? I don't even know, is that I think there are like too many pages in it, and then the journal can get really, really chunky. This journal I have been using since, I don't even remember, maybe like early April, end of March? No, it's like May 20th. Okay. I think early April, maybe. I think it was like April 6th that I've been using it. So I've been using it for quite a while, and I still haven't filled it up. And you guys know that I generally fill up journals really, really quickly, but with this one I've just been like trudging through it. I am so close to being done, and I think I will finish it like right before I leave for my Japan trip, which is kind of perfect timing. But the journal, because it's been filled with so many things, has gotten so chunky that now it's like hard to write in, it's hard to journal with. But obviously I still love it, and I love a chunky journal. It just does get a little bit hard to work with at the end. Anyway, what I'm doing now is choosing a little washi tape from that really cutesy bear design set to decorate my daily spread for Monday. I chose this little green one that has little bears on it and a plaid pattern in the back, and I think it is just so, so cute. I don't have a lot of green washi tapes actually, so I feel like the washi tapes that I just got from EB have so many different colors and will definitely kind of fill in for the colors that I'm kind of lacking in or lacking of in my washi tape collection. And like I said earlier in the video, I've been feeling a little bit uninspired by my washi tape collection, especially because I've been in this journal so long. And if you didn't know, I like to have a rule where I try not to repeat washis in the same journal. Obviously, I don't mind using my washis in multiple journals, but within one journal, I like to try to use all different washis. And so I've been kind of running low because I've been using this journal for so long, and I've done so many spreads with different washis. So it's really nice that I have all of these new washis to play with. And now my washi collection will feel a little less boring because some of them I have had for a while, and I just like want to use them up, but there's so much on the roll that I need to like keep using it for so many times, if that makes sense. I feel like what I said was barely English. Okay, anyway, moving on, we are making a little spread here for the book King of Sloth by Anna Huang, which I just finished. And I'm going to be honest, I feel like I didn't really enjoy this one. I really liked the second and the third book in this Kings of Sin, I think is the series name. I really liked King of Pride and King of Greed, which were the second and third book. I didn't really care for the first one, King of Wrath. And then this was the fourth book in the series, King of Sloth. And I just didn't super love it, which is kind of unfortunate because I did really enjoy her Twisted series. I just feel like her writing hasn't really been doing it for me recently because I even reread the Twisted series and I didn't really like it as much as I did the first time I read it. But regardless, I am, of course, making a spread for it because it is a new read. If you didn't know, my rule, I would say, for my bookish spreads in my journal is that since I think like 2022, I've only been doing spreads for books that I am reading for the first time. So during the year, I do like to reread books, but if I've already read the book, I don't feel like I have to do a spread to commemorate it in my journal. But because King of Sloth was a new release, it was released on my birthday this year, actually. Of course, I'm making a spread for it. And the quote says, "Every version of my happily ever after will always include some version of you," which I do think is a very sweet quote. In the corner there, I just drew a little pocket watch because there is a pocket watch on the cover, which, to be honest, I don't really know the significance of. Is it about like time slipping away? I don't really know. But let me know in the comments if you have read any Anna Huang books and what you think of them. I really don't know. Like, I know she also has other romance books that are less popular, and I think they were self-published before she got really popular on TikTok. So I'm kind of like, maybe I should give those a try, but also like, I don't really need to read books that I don't know if I'm going to enjoy, you know? So I don't know. I'm a little conflicted. But anyway, yes, I'm just doing a little drop shadow on the lettering here with a Tombow Fudonosuke soft tip. I would use the hard tip, but it's already packed away for my Japan trip. So it's kind of, like I can't use it right now. I guess I could go get it, but I was feeling lazy and I have the soft tip. So I used that for my little drop shadow. Then I just added some sparkles around the quote, which you guys know I always love to do. I feel like it really helps fill the spread, and it's super cute. Anyway, after this, we are going to just quickly move into my memory planner to fill in a few, stickers for things that I did. Basically, this memory planner is what I use to sticker plan my day, and I just like to use little stickers and some script stickers to kind of mark all the things that I do every day. It's like another more condensed form of my journal, but it's so fun because I love playing with stickers, and when I found this hobby, I think I first found it on YouTube, I was immediately hooked. So it's just super fun. I use some stickers from various shops, so just if you're curious about any of the specific stickers, just leave me a comment with a timestamp down below and I can help you out with that. The kit overall is from Pink Planner Shop, which is my favorite printable sticker shop. So yeah, and the planner itself is from Planning Roses. But yeah, this is just a super fun hobby, and in my head, it's another form of journal because it's not really a planner because I don't plan ahead in it. It's just really for memory keeping. But yeah, just catching up, marking some reading, cutting some stickers, and then on this spread, which is this current week that I'm in as I'm recording this voiceover, I realized I didn't have my placement on Monday because it was a holiday in Canada, so I'm just moving some stickers around for that. And then I'm marking the things that I was planning on doing that day, which included reading because I had already read that morning. There's a little tea sticker there, but it's for marking coffee. And I think I also marked driving because I was planning to go out for lunch with one of my friends later, and I just like to mark whenever I drive. Anyway, that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!